Good morning to all. My name is Sai Mohan. Today I want to present my research paper on automatic bag theft alarm system in public places. In today's world, theft of personal belongings in crowded places such as railway stations, bus stands, etc. has become very common. Traditional security methods are not working. Hence, there is need for a smart safety system. So this is the automatic bag theft alarm system in public places. Introduction to this topic is bag theft is common in crowded places. Traditional locks are not effective. Need for smart security system provides real-time alert and protection. That means the traditional methods are not effective while protecting the bags in crowded areas. So we need somewhat an effective system, and it ensures that real-time protection and real-time alerts. The objectives of the research paper is design automatic theft detection system, and the second objective is detect unauthorized bag movement, and the third objective is alert owner using buzzer and mobile alert, and fourth objective is enables GPS tracking. Now coming to the research methodology, here we use quantitative research methodology, and the data source is secondary. The sample size is one prototype model with multi-test trials. Tools used here is analysis, and the method of analysis is experimental analysis. You can see the flowchart in the right side that we can use a microcontroller like Arduino or ESP32 and GPS module, GSM module and battery and alarm activation and sensor, etc. These are the components used for this experiment, for this project. Now coming to the data analysis and interpretation, the key finding one is motion detected accurately. So the machine can accurately detect the motion, instant alarm response. It provides an instant alarm response. SMS alerts are also successful. GPS tracking should also work effectively. So we can see the right side there is a graph. Alarm system detection versus response time. In trains, in railway stations, the response time is high. While somewhat detection is less in all those areas and the response time is very high. Now coming to the findings, it detects unauthorized movements, alerts nearby people, sends mobile notifications, tracks location, and it is a somewhat low cost solution also. Now coming to the conclusion, the proposed system the proposed system effectively detects unauthorized bag movement and provides instant alerts, enhancing security in public places. Well, the project should work effectively, and the recommendations are here is integrate advanced sensors for higher accuracy. Before we can see that in a graph time, the delay time determination time was detection time was very less. For this, we use an advanced sensors and develop a mobile app for easy control and alerts. We have to develop a separate mobile app for this safety theft detection. So developing a mobile app should be easy for the safety theft detection system, for this safety theft detection system. And here are the references I used, which is an Arduino based theft detection system, an IEEE journal, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and the GPS and GSM based tracking system, International Journal of Engineering Research, which was published in the year 2021, and sensors and embedded systems, and an Arduino official website also I use it. I take it as a reference. So finally, this research focuses on developing a low cost system using sensors and microcontrollers to enhance the safety of your personal belongings. Thank you.